Hello everyone, 細佬哥 and 大人 This is Matthew. How are you all? Long time no see. Today, I would like to talk about a very serious and big subject. I will try to express my understanding to those who might not be clear of what's going on during the past 200 years in China. Why did the Chinese people choose the Communist Party of China? But trust me, this is not just some boring history. This is about power, struggle, and finally, real change. Kind of like some hopeless people, but they work hard, level up in life, but on a national scale.
大家好，咁相信大家都有啲奇怪啊，點解無端端用啲英文去拍下片呢？即係事緣就係、我覺得如果想繼續拍片，不如試下用英文啦。反正自己又唔係唔識講，即係雖然講得唔好，不過係需要啲時間去慢慢操翻。咁就希望大家都俾面啦，幫手 share 下啦。希望多啲唔係華語唔係中文嘅人都可以真正地感受到，真係有香港人係支持我哋國家，唔係好似佢哋講到咩我哋有幾慘，我哋其實好開心，我哋好 proud of 自己現在國家嘅行為嘅成就。所以就係呢啲原因，我現在開始希望嘗試下拍英文片啦，幫下手啦，大家幫手留言 share 下。雖然今次條片講咗叮得分零鐘，不過都係一個好開始。因為咧真係自08年我翻嚟香港之後咧，冇乜幾可講英文嘅，老實。可能一年一次半次，一般打字 email 會有，同屋企家務助理傾偈會有，但係去用英文去類似自己一個人喺度講嘢咧，對我嚟講真係會即係需要啲時間去 catch up 翻。咁就多謝大家 ，Thanks for your time。我哋下次再見 ，See you next week。